Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install WordPress on your hosting platform. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's get started. Now the first thing you have to do is to sign into your hosting account depending on the hosting platform you are using. For me, I'm using Namecheap. So this is how the cPanel of Namecheap look like. So irrespective of your cPanel account, your cPanel should look something similar to this. So the first thing you have to do is to look for the Softaculous app installer, or you can just directly click on this WordPress installation. So I'm going to click here on this Softaculous app installer. Then here you are going to see different applications. We have WordPress, Joomla, Abante Cards, PHP BB, SMF, and others. So for this video, we are installing WordPress. So I'm going to click on WordPress. So you are going to see the current version of WordPress. You see the required space that we need to have. Then click on install now. So you need to choose the installation URL. So I'm going to change the domain name to something else. So let's go for this. So I'm going to use the HTTPS protocol. Then I'm going to install again. So I think I need to change the password, add something, then click on install. So the WordPress installation is currently done now. So you can see the congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So now we can check the website here. So this is our domain name. Actually install it on a subdomain. Then for us to access for you to access your WordPress website dashboard, you need to type the domain name followed by the wp-admin. So if you should click on this now, it's going to take us to our dashboard, but this is how our website is currently looking. So this is our website, and this is here you can see that our WordPress is successfully installed. So going back to our dashboard, so you can see here the domain name will be something like this. For you to access, that will be https followed by the domain name followed by the wp-admin. So in order for us to set it up, now these are the say welcome to WordPress. So these are dashboard. You can see our username here. So I can come here, click on my profile like this, and it's going to show me my WordPress profile, user profile. So this is my user profile. This is going to be the site admin, the administrator. Move over to these settings and click on general. In my next video, I'm going to explain to you how you can go about setting up your WordPress website in order for you to get started to developing, creating, and designing your website. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.